See, this whole NSP I am trying to do is helping your biomemory to decode the secret code of pain and pleasure. For each one of you, the pain and pleasure is a different programming, different software. Don't try. When you decode, you will not have pain. You will be all the time elated, even when no objects come in contact with your senses. I am not saying you will have only bliss. Even the joy will be there constantly, even when the sense objects are not coming in contact with your senses. And you will not have pain, even when you are supposed to have the worst pain. When you decode the signs of pleasure and pain, you don't know the joy of living in a body which does not have a pain. I am telling this out of joy. When you decode, I tell you, it is such a big utility for you. It is not moral science. It is not even spirituality. If I tell you, run straight in the bus stand, there is one lottery ticket, and buy this number, lottery ticket, you will get 10 crore. You think that I am teaching you morality? Or I am teaching you some great spiritual science? No. I am just teaching you something which is going to be direct utility for your life. Exactly same way I am telling. Close your eyes and see when the pain and the pleasure happens and decode it. It has a tremendous utility. Even 10 crore cannot give you something that will be given to you when you decode your pleasure and pain inside you. And you will not even carry that as understanding by word. You will not even know if you are asked to tell what really happened in you. That is a big problem. Decoding your pain and pleasure as highest utility in your life. Every time when you are levitating, understand, I am helping you to decode your deeper and deeper levels of being. Not only your pleasure and pain, heat and cold related to this body engrams, the heat and cold related to the past engrams also are getting decoded. Incarnation, an incarnation lands on the planet Earth only to teach the science of decoding heat and cold, pleasure and pain related to all spectrums for human beings. If this one science is taught, all violence on the planet Earth will disappear. All pain in the planet Earth will disappear. Only when you have pain, you feel like giving pain to others. When you are lazy, you want the whole world to be lazy. When you are alive and active, you want the whole world to be alive and active. Whatever you are, with whatever you associate yourself, you are bound to reproduce that on the whole world. The science of decoding will remove all your sufferings from the root and the source of the root. Mud, from where the root is growing. See, when you are drunk, you blabber. When you are drunk with the ego of the intellect, also you blabber. When you are normally drinking and blabbering, people will realize. But when you are drunk with the ego, intellect and blabber, it's called discourses. Many of the intellectuals' discourses are that only. Neither you understand nor people understand. One-liner. One person is asking, have you ever heard about the holy water that converts your precious thoughts into speech? The other man says, no, I never heard. Where is that holy water available? What is the name? This guy says, it is called Scotch. Take that, all your precious thoughts will be converted into speech. Wife goes to the doctor. And after doctor examining her thoroughly, he says, your husband needs rest and peace. Here are some sleeping pills. Wife asks, when must I give them to him? Doctor says, no, they are for you. Krishna, heat and cold and pain and pleasure means the wise person who has decoded, whose biomemory has learnt the automatic lesson. When you decode this pleasure and pain, your biomemory records it and automatically it takes cognizance based on the truth. Because your biomemory is intelligent, automatically there is no pain. You don't need to feel pain and pleasure, suffering and joy, heat and cold, based on somebody else's will or from outside. It's your freedom and joy. Now, let's decode. See, when you close your eyes and sit now, you will be having some mood. It may be pain or pleasure, it may be irritation or laziness, it may be feeling like sleepy or joy, it may be feeling tired or being energetic, anything it can be. Whatever you are having, just see the heat and cold proportion of it in you. Let us decode. Now whatever you are experiencing, let's decode it. Close your eyes and just sit. Whatever is there in you, don't suppress, don't unclutch. I am not saying unclutch whatever mood you are having. No. Just try to decode. Am I feeling cold now or heat now? How much heat I am feeling, how much cold I am feeling? Which part of the body I am feeling heat and which part of the body I am feeling cold? Decode the whole mood, the mood you are carrying. To decode pleasure and pain into heat and cold, now I am giving you a powerful process. To decode ahankara mamakara. Ahankara is the one always makes you feel you are in the upper hand. Mamakara is the one always makes you feel you are suppressed. You feeling you are in upper hand, you are in the higher position, or you are in lower position has nothing to do with outer incident. Like you feeling pain or pleasure has nothing to do with outer incident, outer happening. It is something to do with the heat or the cold you feel inside and the software with which you are functioning inside. It is just your coding. If you are asked to do yoga, you feel all kinds of pain and suffering. But if you are climbing the hill on your own, trekking, that is much more difficult than this yoga, but you feel all pleasure. Wow! What a great thing. Pleasure and pain are nothing to do with the outer happenings. It has something to do with the way you are coded and the experience of heat and the cold. Same way, feeling you are killed or you are killer, you are powerful or weak, you are going to destroy or going to be destroyed, is just something to do with your ahankara and mamakara. You feeling you are powerful, you are the killer, or you feeling you are weak and you are killed, you will be killed. This both has nothing to do with the outer situation. It has something to do with whether you are caught with ahankara or mamakara. If you are caught with mamakara, even if you are killing everybody, you will feel you are weak and any moment you may be killed. Same way, ahankara also. Feeling that you are a killer, your whole army is killed, still these fellows are feeling that they will be the killer, like Duryodhana. Understand, just like how pain and pleasure has nothing to do with the objects coming in contact with your senses. It has more to do with your software programming, the coding with which you are functioning. Same way, feeling you are killing, you are a killer or getting killed, both have nothing to do with the outer situation. It has something to do with your coding, the software with which you are programmed. Decode. In your life, many times, when you are crushed by your boss, you will feel you are being killed. Just code how you are feeling at that moment. Don't try to respond to the outer world situation. I am not teaching you that. I am teaching you how you are feeling. Try to decode what is exactly you are feeling. Same way, when you are in the upper hand, your subordinate has done some big mistake and you caught it exactly and he tried to hide from you and you have caught him red-handed. Now you are in upper hand. You are in the mood of a killer. Just see how you are functioning. Find the pattern of your functioning, the coding, the software, the programming with which you are functioning. Understand both the pattern. You will realize you are beyond these two patterns. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 097422033311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.